Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to check your FICO score for free on Barclays app. So if you want to check your FICO score for free on Barclays US app, first thing first, you want to log into your Barclays mobile app. So log into your account entering your credentials. Once logged in, from the home page, you want to navigate to More menu on the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do it, you just want to make sure to scroll down and find FICO score or credit score to view your current score and history. You could view your detailed information, including why your score has not or may have changed. All that, the feature is available in the Barclays US cardholder ID app as well. And this is where you will be able to find the FICO score for free on Barclays app. With that being said, we've completed our steps and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, you might want to contact support. They will be able to help you out.